Are you sick and tired of dealing with embarrassing body hair? Are you spending too much money on laser hair removal or waxing? Or making a sticky mess in your microwave and bathroom trying to use one of those do-it-yourself waxing kits? I have something just for you. The Braun 5270 Silk Epley XL Body System Epilator. I used to hide behind big shirts and pants, hoping no one would see my embarrassing body hair. Now, I'm bikini ready all the time. The Braun 5270 Silk Epley XL Body System Epilator is a 40 tweezer electrical epilator with active massage rollers that glide over the skin, reducing the pain that most hair removal systems are known for. A built-in smart light highlights even the tiniest of hairs, making it easier to remove them all. The Silk Epley XL is specially designed to fit right in the palm of your hand for an easy grip and maneuvering control. Results may last up to 4 weeks, and the hair grows back thinner every time. You will be amazed with the results. According to the National Institute of Health, unwanted body hair is a common problem. But it doesn't have to be. You can take charge of your unwanted body hair, eliminate the problem. Body hair can be embarrassing, and this is a solution to remove those unwanted hairs without paying a high price or making a huge mess. The best part is you can do it when you want and where you want. Waxing and shaving can dry out your skin and cause burns and cuts. This Silk Epley XL is 100% safe, and because the epilator works like a tweezer, your skin is left smooth and unharmed. You are going to love the new you. Laser hair removal can cost thousands of dollars. This Silk Epley XL is only $49.99. Imagine all the money you'll save on waxing and razors. Over 300 members on Amazon.com have given the Silk Epley XL a 5-star rating. The results are amazing. I never thought I would feel confident in a bikini. Now I control my hair. It doesn't control me. Free yourself from those unwanted hairs. I recommend the Braun 5270 Silk Epley XL Body System Epilator. You owe it to yourself.